Ngingaskugon. Ngingaskugon is a Filipino idiomatic expression describing the tendency to begin tasks, projects, or endeavors with intense enthusiasm.
Example, unfinished work. Due to ngingaskugon, we are unable to finish our work because we lost interest after starting with strong enthusiasm. This behavior affects our commitment and result in unfinished tasks, which can negatively impact the people we are meant to serve. Instead, we should be more focused and consistent in our work to ensure that responsibilities are completed properly and that clients receive the continued support they need.
One impact of ngingaskugon behavior in social work practice is the weakening of service effectiveness. When a social worker shows strong effort at the beginning but fails to sustain it, the helping process becomes inconsistent. Planned interventions are not fully carried out, follow-ups are delayed, and coordination with other agencies becomes weak. This reduces the quality of services provided and limits positive outcomes for clients. Over time, an ineffective service delivery can also lower clients' confidence in social workers and hinder the achievement of long-term goals for individuals, families, and communities.